So this battle box is just ridiculous. Look how big this box is, right? So again, I'm gonna put it here to the side. I just dump everything here on my desk, and this is what happened when you don't do the video right away. My kids come and they love to see what is in the battle box, and then they make a mess. They really make a mess. So welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. I got a mess here. Hopefully, I got everything that I need to have. Look at this. Come on, people. So, all right, so let's go ahead and open this up. Let's talk about it here with you guys. Battlbox is a company that sends things here to my channel every single month. I don't pay for this. They send it to me. Be aware that this costs a pretty good amount of money. So do your research so you are really, informed and you get the best that you want for the money. This is not for everybody out there. This is for some people that have extra cash and they want to, get this kind of stuff, right? Like, look at this bunch of stuff in here, right? So again, let's kind of go into it. Here we got the car. We're gonna wear my old man glasses from the dollar store. I'll pay $1 for this. It's fantastic, right? This is gonna be mission 92. I've been doing this for such a long time, and the first thing is gonna be Battlbox Trail Markets, about $7.99. Let's go ahead and look for this. Hopefully everything is here. My son got so excited about the bow, he started putting it together. I'm gonna show you that right there. So this is going to be right here. So obviously not so much more to explain on this. They are markers. So if you go into a trail, obviously you could mark it, right? So that's what it is. Let me back this up a little bit. All right. So again, not sure how many they have. Let's see if we can figure out how many they have in here. There's going to be a Battlbox Trail Markets in again, I'm not sure how many they got in here. But again, this is kind of what you got right here. It's going to be $7.99. The next thing is going to be this right here. And this is going to be a lubricant and cover scent. All right. So lubricates in a string cold, non-toxic. All right. I'm not sure what this does, but all right. So this is kind of what you got right here. This is going to be about $14.99, right? So it says 4 years. Okay, gear lubricant. All right, that's good. We're getting somewhere. All right, so that's kind of what we got here. Again, it's going to be some type of lubricant protection, first class. You could kind of see it right there. Let me make sure I give you a better look. See if you got anything. Has a little thing right here to utilize, and let's open it up. So again, you guys get the point on that one. That's going to be about 14 bucks. And the next thing we're going to have is going to be this right here. This is all going to be in the basic box, by the way. So this is going to be in the basic box. This thing is actually quite cool. So essentially, all right, let me show you camo form. Essentially, you could use this on a rifle, on a knife, whatever that you're looking to kind of like camouflage, you could utilize this, right? So you take this tape out here. It's kind of like a tape. Really, really sticky. Supposed to not leave residues. All right, maybe I got to get like a little blade or something to stick it in there. Come on, people. Come on. So, okay, so you can see how sticky that is, right? So, again, you wrap this around your scope, your rifle, or whatever, and it allows you to give a little bit more camouflage. In fact, you could kind of see it right here, right? So that's going to be that right there, about $15.95. And there is a knife. There's actually a knife on this box, which is not common. I've seen it before, but the basic box doesn't really have a knife, and it's going to be this knife right here. It's going to be about 32 bucks. Fox America FE043. That's kind of cool. Really kind of cool to see a knife on this box, right? Pretty heavy. See how it opens up. Okay, there we go. So here's the blade. Love the collar, like a stonewash collar. Obviously, this is going to be like a budget blade, but you know what? These blades are great. Frame lock. Open it up right there. And there we go. So frame lock. It looks like you have your clip this way. It doesn't look like you could change it around, right? Kind of like some type of scale right there. Let me give you a quick look. This is great. This is great for like everyday tasks and things like that. It's a little bit heavy. Like it's a little bit heavy. All right, so we're going to put it back here. Probably going to give it to somebody. Somebody will be blessed with that, right? And this is gonna be the basic box. So, all right. So, if you're new into Battlbox, you got a basic box, you got an advanced box, you got a pro box, and then you got a pro plus. I get the big one. They send it here, like I said, to the channel. So, in the advanced box, it's gonna be this right here, hammock. So, that's definitely very, very cool. So you can see it right here. I have never, I have never used none of this. Really, never used. Every time we go camping, usually we have a tent, but I got kids and all that stuff. So again, really, really cool. It comes in a bag like this. And if you go into the Battlbox actually channel, they show you how to set it up and all that stuff. And here's the Pro Plus, which is actually quite cool, really quite cool. And I already put it together, and not me, my son already put it together. It comes with essentially all the tools and all that. It's gonna be about $74, and it's gonna be the gear scope breakdown bow. Probably this is why we have some of this lubricant right here, right? Makes sense now. So here it is. I'm gonna kind of bring it up here and show it to you guys without hitting my cameras or anything, right? So my son got so pumped about this that he actually put it together. So you got a bow. That's cool. I mean, it's always cool having a bow, right? And in fact, it comes with arrows as well, which I have not taken out, but we're going to do it right now just to kind of take a look at it. And it's falling right here. Let's put it here. There you go. Throw it in the mess. It has a bag, which obviously whenever you have it like put apart, you could put it inside this bag right here. And then we open it around. I think we have 3. Oh, there we go. All right, so we got some arrows right here. Kind of difficult to do this in camera, but we got 3 arrows. And I believe we got some tips as well. Let's see if we find some tips in here. Yeah, it does have some tips as well. It comes with all the tools that you need. Ooh, this is sharp. Oh wow, this is pretty sharp. Look at that. All right, so that's kind of like the whole setup. This is cool. This is really cool. I'm actually going to go into my backyard and mess around with that because that's definitely cool, right? So that's going to be the bow. And the last thing we're going to have is going to be the Pro Plus, and it's going to be a knife. Really cool knife, really classy look. You can see it right here. It's going to be the Wook's Bad Boy, maybe. And let's take a closer look right here. And like I said, we got stuff everywhere today. Very, very classic. Kind of see it right here. It's kind of cool. Look at that. Ooh, that's sexy. That is definitely sexy. Look at that. Look at that gold. I mean, this is nice. Interesting. It has jimping right here. It has jimping right here as well. It says Bad Boy. Oh yeah, Bad Boy right there. See it right there. Feels a little bit slippery, but when you hold it with the jimping, it feels good. Feels really good. Now that we don't need this no more, let's see. Whoa. So it is sharp. It is sharp for sure, and it's a really, really cool knife. So that's gonna be it. Battlbox mission 92, I believe. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.